Oh, slime is heading for us, Dr. Proto. Do something. Contain it.
Yes, I'm sure I'll find something that,
Dad, there's no way to contain it. It's growing too fast. There's no silicone glass container big enough to hold it now.
But it's eating everything. Glass, wood, steel, cement. Dr. Proto, where will it stop?
I'm afraid it will stop at nothing.
Step on it, Rick. The last thing I remember seeing is Dr. Proto's life forms spreading all over the floor, dissolving everything, including the floor.
Well?
No good. This silicone spray isn't working.
What do we do now, Doctor?
Well, I have to think, General.
Maybe I can help.
Bruce, Rick, am I glad to see you.
Hi, Betty. Dr. Proto, what's your organism made of?
You know better than to ask that, Banner. It's a scientific secret.
Not anymore, it isn't. It's too late for that.
It's a military secret, too.
Tell him, Doctor. That's an order.
Well, the organism is part truffle, part protoplasm.
Truffle! So that's why he grows them. That's a form of mushroom, a fungus. I wonder if a fungicide would...
That might kill it, Banner.
I hope so. Give me a hand, Rick. This is weed killer, Doc. Right. Attacks fungus, too. Let's hope this works.
It's eating the fungicide.
It likes it.
General, let's get a flamethrower up here.
Yes, we'll cook them.
It seems to be working.
Good. Then there's no need to cook the whole thing. Let's wipe out most of it and save just enough for a...
No! Look! It's growing again!
Incredible. The protoplasm is regenerating itself, renewing the entire organism.
We tried the vegetable half. Why not go after the animal protoplasm?
That makes sense. George, prepare to split each nucleus.
What?
But that could make the protoplasm grow faster, more than twice as fast.
Or just the opposite.
Too risky, Proto. Use an electrical charge.
Well, maybe you're right, Ben. Betty, we'll meet you later in the Alpha chamber. I'll unlock the electrical control room.
Good. Rick?
The controls are off to the right.
Hey, what the? He's locked us in!
Did you find the controls, Banner?
What's the idea, Proto?
The idea, Banner, is that I'll do things my way. Ta-ta!